Hi guys, it's me Terry and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a little video of a really quick and easy way to scrapbook and keep those Polaroids organized that you've been taking. I'm doing this for my baby and all the Polaroids I've been taking during his first year and all these memories, and so I just want to share it with you. It's super easy and yeah. So grab a tea or coffee or whatever you prefer to drink and let's relax and do some scrapbooking. So supplies I used was just whatever I had in my house. So I have some watercolor paints and some paintbrushes, some pastels, and I also have some washi tape that was given to me by a friend. And you'll need a book with just blank pages. I was given this book during my baby shower, and I really loved how we took Polaroids and stuck them in them, so I wanted to keep all the Polaroids that I've been taking in the same book. I love how Polaroids are just a fun way to capture memories, and even if like the color balance is off or it's overexposed, it's just kind of fun to, not overthink and just take a whole bunch of pictures in the go. So at the top of each page, I am writing the month of which I took the Polaroid in. And so I just wanted to kind of paint a little background for the month title. And I'm just simply painting a line and kind of making it however big I want. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it's kind of cool when it looks, freehanded. While the paint dries, I am just organizing my Polaroids on the page, seeing how I would like to display them. And then I grabbed some pieces of washi tape and just use it to simply stick the Polaroid pictures onto the blank pages. I didn't use any glue, I didn't use any crazy, amount of scrapbooking material. All I have is this washi tape given to me by my friends. And I love it. It's pretty and I wouldn't change it. And once the watercolor paint was dry, I grabbed a little fine tip Sharpie and just looked up on Pinterest some fancy fonts, and I just tried to copy it. Yeah, using handwriting and just kind of trying my best to copy calligraphy off of Pinterest. I know this is probably not the right way to do calligraphy, I don't know, but it looks really cute to me, so that's how I did my titles. And so yeah, that's the title page or cover page for June, and I'm moving on to the rest of the pictures from June, and I just simply arrange them how I think they should look on the page. No rhyme or reason really. And I grab my washi tape and tape away. I personally never really enjoyed scrapbooking, and mostly it's because there's so many little pieces you have to cut out and glue, and it's just very detail oriented, and I don't know, it's just not for me. So this really easy, simple, colorful tape idea is more my speed because it just makes all the pictures look cute without much effort, without much supplies. And not to mention, it requires very little brain power to put this all together, which is necessary for me because I am sleep deprived as a new mom. One chai tea latte later, I am done the month of June. And take this as a sign that if you have a bunch of Polaroids sitting around, go get some tape, go get a blank book from literally the dollar store and try this. It is so fun, really relaxing, and it's just a fun way to display them. Anyways, talk to you later.